Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you make a static page members only? Let's go to the admin section. We'll go to My Content and Web Page Builder. If we go down to the About page and let's click on Edit. Let's now go back to the front end of the website and we're going to click on the About page. The About page is just here. It's how it works. There we go. So that's the About page just there. And we can see that we've managed to click on it and we can see that we're not logged in. If we were logged in, we'd see a logged in account icon just up here. But we're not logged in. We're currently logged out of the website as a member. So we can view the About My New Website page. Okay. So you can see that there. If we go back to the admin section then, let's say that we want to make the About page just strictly members only. We simply use the right-hand toolbar and we go to Protect Page. At the moment it's set public for everyone, but we only want to allow members. Not only that, we can restrict members by membership plan as well. So let's assume that we just want membership plan 1 to view content. Let's save the changes. Let's go back to the main website. We'll navigate back to the home page. And now we're going to go back into how it works. And we can see that we've got this box now up here to say that this is an only members page. Let's go back to the admin section. Let's go to My Members and search for members. We're going to scroll down and we're going to log in as sample member 3. We can see sample member 3 is under membership plan 1, just in this. So we're going to log in as member. We're going to navigate back to the home page. And now we're going to go into how it works to view the content. And we can see the content because we are logged in and we are under membership plan 1, which if you remember the original settings, let's go back a couple of steps and I'll show you. So the original settings only allow members and restrict by membership plan. And we've restricted this by membership plan 1 in the drop down. So I hope you found that useful. That's how you restrict pages by membership, or just in general, restrict pages to members only. Thanks for watching.